How about a refreshing and slightly tangy basil lemon drop martini? This cocktail is perfect for a light lunch or as a refreshing after-dinner drink. It combines the citrusy notes of lemon with the herbal aroma of fresh basil. Ingredients: 1. 2 ounces, 60 milliliters, vodka. 2. 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 milliliters, triple sec or Cointreau. 3. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, fresh lemon juice. 4. Half an ounce, 15 milliliters, simple syrup, adjust to taste. 5. 4-5 fresh basil leaves. 6. Ice cubes. 7. Lemon twist or basil sprig for garnish. For simple syrup: 1. 1/2 cup water. 2. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. Instructions: 1. Prepare simple syrup. 1. In a small saucepan, combine water and sugar. 1. Heat over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. 2. Allow the simple syrup to cool before using. 2. You can store any extra in the refrigerator for future use. 2. Muddle basil. 1. In a shaker, muddle the fresh basil leaves to release their flavor. 1. If you don't have a muddler, you can gently press the basil leaves with the back of a spoon. 3. Add ingredients to shaker. 1. Add vodka, triple sec, fresh lemon juice, and simple syrup to the shaker. 4. Shake. 1. Fill the shaker with ice cubes and shake the mixture vigorously for about 10-15 seconds. 1. This chills the ingredients and infuses the flavors. 5. Strain and pour. 1. Strain the cocktail into a chilled martini glass, removing the ice and basil leaves. 6. Garnish. 1. Garnish the basil lemon drop martini with a lemon twist or a fresh basil sprig. 7. Enjoy. 1. Sip and savor this delightful cocktail. 1. The combination of basil, lemon, and the crispness of the vodka makes for a light and refreshing drink. Feel free to adjust the sweetness by adding more or less simple syrup based on your preference. Cheers to a delicious lunch or after-dinner cocktail experience.